Thank you so much. I'm your body so great. We have just received a damning report that the rate of suicide in Nigeria appears to be highest the world over. It's now at an alarming rate. Hardship, high cost of living, unemployment, insecurity, so many factors are forcing so many Nigerians to take their life. A state of utter hopelessness from confused politicians who, to all intent and purpose, are grossly responsible. Many Nigerians are committing suicide. That is a report. Nigeria is the country with the highest rate of suicide. The world over, no hope have been renewed. More and more Nigerians daily are taking their life. Religious leaders, you are there. A good number of you are living big. But Nigerians are committing suicide. The number continues to increase as the days go by. Hardship continues to mount. Hunger is at an alarming rate. It is now at a frightening dimension. That is the situation in Nigeria. Who will help Nigeria? Religious leaders, traditional institutions, the political class represent a gang of never-do-wells. A gang of people involved in all manner of criminality. Who will help Nigeria? More and more Nigerians are taking their life as the days go by. Something needs to be done. You have people who have nothing to offer, but they insist they must occupy political offices. It's unfortunate. Let us come up with solution. Let us see what we can do. Those building housing estates, those building this and building that, you need to stop those projects and focus on helping Nigerians to survive at a time like this. Let us readjust our focus, our program, and help Nigerians to survive. Lawmakers who want to buy SUV cars, expensive Jeep, at the cost of 160 million or 130 million, reconsider your stand and focus on helping Nigerians to survive. That is what we need to do. Everybody, let us focus on helping Nigerians to survive. Let us act fast. We may not know who will be next to take his life or her life. Let us act fast. The time to act is now. Let us share this video and subscribe to this channel. It's for the good of our common humanity. For our common good. Let us speak up. Speak truth to power. We need to do our part. God lives in truth. By truth, God will come down to help us. Not with a government that have made lies instrument of state policy. Government that recruit people. The more you can lie, the more government will position you. They trade with falsehood, propaganda. That's why you see criminals telling you inflation rate is coming down. When it's at 26%, hidden 30%, they will tell you it's 4%. Criminal elements, liars. Let us see what we can do to help one another. The suicide rate is at an alarming rate in Nigeria. Let somebody do something. See the next person you can help. That is the way to go. The time to act is now.